Well, a cat lost in Colorado while on vacation is now safe and sound in Minnesota.
Photojournalist Joe Van Ryn and Adam Del Rosso share the journey to get her home.
Little Fridge loves her treats.
All the last.
Even more so after everything she's been through.
She's a 3-year-old little domestic short hair cat.
Driving back home from Los Angeles, Nikki Bolin and her boyfriend made a pit stop in Colorado.
We wanted to hit as many national parks as possible.
And while camping outside Great Sand Dunes National Park, every cat mom's worst nightmare.
I woke up at about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning, and both of them were gone.
Nikki's other cat, Lewis, was nearby. As for Fridge
Was nowhere to be seen.
After scouring every campsite in a 7-mile radius, Nikki made the hardest decision of her life. Call off the search and head home.
I felt like I left a little piece of me there, and driving back, I was just crying because she wasn't here with me, and all I wanted was my baby.
She kept looking from home, checking Humane Society websites and social media, but nothing.
Every time I did it, it was the most heartbreaking thing. You'd see cats that look a lot like her, but it wasn't her.
Park rangers told her the likelihood of finding Fridge was extremely low.
I could only think of the worst.
Then, after 40 days alone in the Colorado wilderness, a miracle.
She's a fighter. She is a certified baddie now.
Someone turned Fridge into the Humane Society. Nikki instantly made the 16-hour drive to reunite.
And it was just absolute tears of joy.
And despite being lost for over a month,
she's fine. She's healthy. She's a little underweight, spending 40 days in the wilderness in Colorado. I think will do that to you.
All the reason to have an extra treat. With photojournalist Joe Van Ryn, Adam Del Rosso, WCCO News.
A resourceful little one.
Yeah, isn't she? Although she is regretting, I think, the return with all the smoke in the air quality. Fridge is like, let me go back to the clear mountains of
Fridge needs more than a cowboy hat to beat the smoke. Needs a little N95 mask or something like that.